A pleasant day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Dorothy Fernandez from Tubigero City, Cagayan. I was born on July 29, 1986 at Calapan City, Mindoro. I am 38 years old, a single mom with 6 children, 4 males with the age of 21, 17, 7, and 2 years old, and 2 females with the age of 18 and 13 years old. I worked here in the Philippines for 6 years. I started on August 8, 2018 to July 8, 2024. I serve a family with 2 children. With service, it is my duties and responsibilities to do in household chores such as cooking, laundry, and cleaning the house. Also, I was assigned to take good care of the children. To give you a brief background, I have taught the child on how to read and write in English. Mom and Sir, I really wanted to work in Hong Kong for my dream to provide the best for my family. As a single mom, I'm the only one who can able to provide their needs. Mom and Sir, I promise I will do my very best to provide a good service you need. I promise to treat your children as mine too, so that I can also share the love that they deserve also. I can assure that I will take good care of them. I can also say that it really runs in our blood as Filipino workers, that virtues that our parents have taught to us, being trustworthy, loving, patient, and diligent. I also promise to finish my contract to you, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you very much.